Bonjour et bienvenue à cette 8e session de français en ligne. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes mercredi 13 mai 2020. Tu répètes, mercredi 13 mai 2020. Super. Mercredi 13 mai 2020. Aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer avec la correction de la semaine 7. Ok? We continue with the correction of week 7. Donc, la date et le temps. Okay, so we are going to continue then, after the correction, with the new topic, la météo. La météo, the forecast. Okay, so like that, we are going to recap everything we did since the past 3 weeks. Okay, donc la date, we saw also the countries, les pays. We are going to mix everything in a same project. Ok? Allez, c'est parti! We worked with the seasons, the start of the paper. So we are going to collect that. I want to repeat with you the words. Ok? On y va. Le printemps, l'été, l'automne, l'hiver. Ok? Donc, tu peux répéter, you can repeat. Then we had that sentence. En été, il fait chaud. Chaud, hot. Ok? Tu te souviens? En hiver, il fait froid. Froid, cold. Okay? Chaud, froid. Remember, to speak about the weather, we are always going to start the sentence to say il fait, to say it is. Okay? Il fait, it is. Il fait chaud, il fait froid. Okay? Toujours, always. Then you had that question. Quelle est ta saison préférée? So I put mine. Ma saison préférée, c'est l'automne. L'automne. Okay? Remember, in English, you have a U. Le U, okay, and no I at the end. So that one is quite the same. Donc l'automne. Okay, so we had compréhension écrite. Compréhension écrite, reading. Ok? 3 textes. Jean, Claudine et Charles. Et 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5 questions. To answer a question. Quel temps fait-il? Okay? What's the weather? So we have the words that you had to illustrate each one. So you have the French here and I put the English for you to help you. Okay? And then at the end, we had those 6 sentences to match with the correct word. So the word was already in the sentence. But here you have the vocab, the noun, and then the sentence that always start with il y a. Il y a means it is. So in English, you are going to use adjectives. In French, we can too, but it's very important for you to know that sentence from the start. And it's easier also, because we didn't see yet the adjectives. So, il y a du soleil. Le soleil. Okay? So, it is sunny. Then we are going to do, it is cloudy, it is rainy, it is windy, there is thunder, and it is snowy. So, I want you to repeat with me quickly. That will be the correction. Then you can also put pause and come back on. Ok? Alors, on y va. Les nuages. Il y a des nuages. Tu répètes? Il y a des nuages. La pluie. Il y a de la pluie. Le vent. Il y a du vent. L'orage. Il y a de l'orage. La neige. Il y a de la neige. In order to speak about the new activity that we are going to do this week and next week, I want to revise the point with you is when you use en, it means in English, okay, how to say in French, regarding the countries. So, to avoid you to come back on the video, which I highly recommend, but to make sure everyone has the point, I took that part to put it in the video to recap with you. So we have 3 forms to say in, speaking about the country, in French. We are semaine 8. Répète avec moi. Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? La météo. La météo. Bien. We are going to continue this week with the topic that we have been talking the past 2 weeks. The days, the date, the month, the weather, to go to the forecast. La météo, the forecast. So that's what we're going to do this week and next week. Today we are going to work with the forecast. You are going to have reading and listening this week. To use the forecast, we need to remember 3 things. The rules of grammar for the countries and the cities that we previously recapped. You have to use that little word in. And in French, it's en when it's feminine, o when it's masculine, o with a x when it's plural. Then, to speak about a city, you say à Dubai, à Sharjah, à Ras Al Khaimah. Okay? Then you have to remember the numbers from 0 to 50, de 0 à 50. Why we stop at 50? It's because the temperature does not go upper than 50. Okay? In your tool. Then the days and the months. Okay? With that, you're good. Now, we are going to start with an example. So when you speak about the forecast, you always have a map. When you see on the TV, you always have the map. The map and the country. So here we have France. You have the city. Where is the city? Where are we? Can you tell me? Can you see it? Bien. Paris. Okay? You know the numbers, right? So you can tell me what's that number. Bien. Super. 33 degrés. Okay. And what's that? To speak about the weather. Le temps. Bien. Le soleil. Et la date, on est mercredi 15 août. Bon, here you have the small text. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes mercredi 15 août en France, à Paris. Il fait chaud, il fait 33 degrés, il y a du soleil. Okay? So once you're done with that, you have the boxes. So I expect from you to tell la date, le pays, la ville, la température, temperature, Okay, and you speak about the temperature with degrés Celsius. That's the measure we use in France. Degrés Celsius. So what you have to do is to put that small o, okay, up to the number. Okay, 33 degrés. Okay, to speak about the degré. And then we have temps, the weather. For the weather, you are going to circle what you see. Okay, which one is the correct answer? Okay, yeah. Just to make sure, in French, to speak about the temperature, la température, we use the degrees. Okay, we call it in French degrés Celsius. Okay, Celsius is the measure. We always start the sentence with il fait. Il fait 34 degrés. Il fait 33 degrés. Okay, il fait chaud. Il fait 33 degrés. Always. And then when you want to speak about the weather, you are going to use il y a, as I told you. Okay? So if you have to remember the two starts of sentence, il fait et il y a. But here, you just have to write down, I don't want sentence, I just want to have the keywords. Okay, that, you search for the date and you put it here. Okay? Same with pays, same with ville. Bien. So France will be the examples. I invite you to listen. The first audio will be France. Okay? Because now we are going to do comprehension orale, listening. So what I expect from you is to listen the 6 audios I incorporated in the video, and those 6 audios go with 6 European countries. So here you have the map. On a l'Irlande, le Portugal, la France, la Pologne, la Roumanie, la Grèce. Grèce is Greece, Roumanie, Romania, Pologne, Poland, Irlande, Ireland, Portugal, Portugal, et France, France. Okay? Then you have the bubbles. Okay? So I'm just showing you and then I will explain to you what you're gonna have to do. So you have the bubbles. Here you have the flags. You can see the flags. So I only chose 6 countries. Okay? Including one already done. It's the example that we have here. Bon. Once you're done with that box, but actually it will be the same for the 5 other countries. So look at it. We have the countries here, and now we have the exercise. So, like the example, fill the boxes and then use the bubbles in the map to write the date, temperature, and weather. Circle what is the weather. So, what I want you to do is to write, to listen, and then select the information. It's why we do listening, because you need to select the information that you hear. So I want first you write the date, la date, when you hear, then le pays. La ville, it's already done. So you just have to check in the map where is that city to match with which country, pays, country. So in which country is Bucharest. Then I want you to write la température, okay, with that small o, okay, le degré Celsius. And then temps, the weather, you circle, okay? There's only one to circle, but in one of the 5, you are going to have, only for one, you are going to have 2 to circle, okay? So listen well, in which city do we have 2 to circle? The rest is only 1. Bon, so you have the city, you have to circle, you only have to write 3 things, okay, date, pays, et température. And then you're done, okay? So once you're done, as I told you, here you have it, you have to do like France. You write the date, the degrees, et the weather, le temps. And like that, you have your forecast for Europe, but to several dates. Nous sommes mercredi 15 août. À Paris, en France, il fait 33 degrés. Il y a du soleil. Nous sommes jeudi 3 janvier. À Bucarest, en Roumanie, il fait 0 degré. Il y a de la neige. Nous sommes lundi 21 juin à Porto, au Portugal. Il fait 22 degrés. Il y a du soleil. Nous sommes mardi 13 mars à Dublin, en Irlande. Il fait 7 degrés. Il y a de la pluie. Nous sommes samedi 14 novembre à Varsovie, en Pologne. Il fait 4 degrés. Il y a de la pluie et de l'orage. Nous sommes vendredi 12 octobre à Athènes, en Grèce. Il fait 16 degrés. Il y a des nuages. Ok, c'est fini pour cette semaine. Au revoir.